Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 31st July 2022 and the time is 8:30. So we had a good 2000 points rally from 15,183 and which happened on exactly on 17th June, and which we predicted that 17th June was the trend change date for Nifty and Nifty and Dow Jones, and from there market had a phenomenal run. Earlier I was expecting 1000 points move from there, but it has given surprised everyone that it has given more than 2000 points. Okay, so now we are at a very crucial stage. So tomorrow is the deciding day for Nifty whether to continue its uptrend from here or it is going to turn from here on to the downside. As of now, based on candlesticks in 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, weekly, all is looking good. Nothing to worry because none of the candle closed below the previous day candle. So absolutely there is no worry. But based on a phenomena which is happening tomorrow and based on fortune signals, it says little careful for tomorrow. So tomorrow candle is very crucial for us to decide whether the trend is going to continue from here on or we are going to go and see much below than 15,183. So you people will be thinking that what I'm blabbering. So I will show this with authenticity. Okay, so now let's go to the YouTube channel. So now if you go here, so this was April 4th. April 4th, I made the video. This was a weekly forecast. Okay. And here I've given a clear instruction whether Nifty will give a genuine buy this week or not. I will show you what is that. Okay. Will it give a genuine? If it is not genuine, then it will go and break the previous one. And Nifty made the top on 4th April. On 4th April based on fortune signals, and everybody knows that was the high, and from there it cracked. But we clearly gave a warning signal on 4th April saying that whether it will give a genuine buy or not this week. And from there market topped out, but whole world was saying that from on 18,114 on 4th April, everybody was shouting of 21,000. From there we have seen to 15,183. Okay, so the same thing happened on Friday. So little careful. See, we are holding long. We are holding long in Nifty. We are holding long in Bank Nifty. Stock position. We are holding IndusInd Bank, IEX, AMBUJA Cement, all that. But tomorrow is the key. In case if it gives the genuine buy tomorrow, and if it sustains the Friday high on tomorrow's closing, nothing to worry about it. This guy can go do another 1000 points also from here. So, but time to be little cautious based on fortune signals, and even on Ichimoku also, even on Pitchfork also, and weekly Ichimoku also, we are at the topmost point. So this week is little bit, hanky-panky, and this whole month, the trading is of very less. And tomorrow is the major 3 combination astro event, so which will have a major say, and where the fortune signal also gave a buy yesterday. So will it going to be genuine from here, or we are going to crack from here to below 15,183? All will be answered on Monday candle on a closing basis. So I'll just show this example. Okay, so this is on 4th April. Okay, remember this. You can go back and watch this video. And if you come to this video, and on 20th June, we said crucial week for 5,000 points move from here on the upside. Why? That is also because of fortune signals, where Nifty gave the exact fake sell on weekly, and from there it moved by 1000 points. I was expecting the initial 1000 points, but God was with everybody that the bulls back with the vengeance, and it has done 2000 points. So from 15,183 to 17,161, almost 2000 points. Then here are 20 points plus and minus. So that video is also available with you. You can go back and check this video. So now let's go to the chart. So now here let's go to Bank Nifty. Okay, these are fortune signals on one day. Okay, so it has given a buy yesterday and it closed more or less little above the yesterday's high, little above the yesterday's high. But on 4th April, when Nifty gave a buy, Bank Nifty has not given a buy, but it has given a buy here thanks to SBI rocking. But again, about 550 that can do wonder. And this is what we are telling that don't concentrate on private sector banks, concentrate on PSU banks. And last month it had a TCD trend change date for SBI, it was rocking. And this month we have trend change date for Canara Bank and PNB. Let's see how it's going to do all that in the coming month. So after a long time, this gave a buy yesterday on Friday, and it was more or less close above this candle high, but it is not a convincing close. It is not a convincing close because this was pulled back in the last hour. When Nifty pulled the last half an hour, this was pulled a little higher. Otherwise, it would have closed below this candle high, which is again says be careful on Bank Nifty. So if you go to Ishimoku, this is pitchfork. So it says the resistance is here somewhere around 37,911. So don't believe all these numbers. All numbers are there in PPT. We will go to the PPT and we'll check this number. But this was the topmost pitchfork line. This one, which is standing there. And this was the trend change date. Okay. So till it was 28th low, 28th July low, nothing to worry. Everything is looking good. But will it give a genuine buy tomorrow is the question. But even though Bank Nifty has given a genuine buy here, but it is only 30-40 points or even 50 points. But this was pulled back only in the end. So I am not convinced that it's a genuine buy. According to me, it is fake buy only. So now let's go to Nifty. It gave a buy here now on Friday. So now any candle from here on must close above this candle high. Otherwise, the problem will escalate to the maximum. So now, till it is not going above this candle high and closing, don't be aggressive. Whenever it pull back, you can take a buy position on 15 minutes or even 5 minutes or 1 hour and all that. If it gives a genuine sell on 1 hour, I will definitely covering that video in case if that happens, then you need to be very cautious on the market. Okay. So why I'm saying this? Because if you go back here, the same thing happened on April 4th. And I made the video, I've showed the video also. I said, will it give a genuine buy? Because here this is not a genuine buy. This was a clear trap which was set by the big people, and from there it started correcting. If I can close my fortune signals, then you will know, because this candle is not closed above high of this candle, because based on fortune signals we can clearly predict the top and bottom. Okay, so when Nifty gave a sell on weekly, we clearly said the bottom is done, because if this low is held, we are going to see a bump up move, and that is what has happened, because this is a trap set by the big people, and it gave a sell and none of the candle closed below this. That's why we said buy Nifty instead of buying Nifty, go and buy Bank Nifty, because it has not even given a sell and it just broke this red color. People, those who are watching my video, they know the importance of all this. So it broke my red color. This candle low was sale. The stop loss is very small. You will see a bumper move, and that is what it happened. So now coming to Nifty on one day, it has given a buy. Will it become a genuine buy is the question. If not, because when it was here, everybody was saying 21,000. We clearly said, if the candle is not closing above this candle high because the buy has come, this is a trap. And from there, we broke this low also. Again, if you go back here, again, this was a trap at 18,231. You can go back to my 17th January video. Clearly said, will it give a genuine buy? No, it does not happen. After this candle, where it gave a buy initiation, this is the trap, and from there we started falling. Just by one click, we know what is happening in the market. We don't need to do a lot of analysis. Okay, apart from that, let's go to the major stuff on daily Dow Jones. Exactly at the resistance. And it took the exact support from the pink line. And from there it went up. Last time again, when the sell came, when it became genuine, it came down all the way, went and touched the blue, came down, went and touched the blue, came down. And again, after taking the support from the pink line, which is, we call it a Shakti, and from Shakti, it went to this blue and red and closed here. So it is also at the resistance. I'm not telling you to sell everything and run away from the market tomorrow. I'm telling, be little cautious, wait for a day or two, let it give the confirmation above the buy signal on Nifty, then add on more. Add on more. Okay, till that time, be cautious. No need to exit till it gives the genuine sell on 1 hour. So now let's go to S&P on the dot resistance. On the dot resistance. Go to NASDAQ on the dot resistance. Go to ETH. It gave a buy. See how it is struggling after the buy. It gave a buy on 1 day. The buy has initiated. It is not able to sustain above this high. See how it is facing the problem on the top. This all just happens just by clicking one button. Now let's go to BTC. It has not even given a buy. It has to go and touch this. So all are in crucial stage. So we need this week little bit of confirmation to follow the trend. And if you take crude, it is still in bullish. And if you go to natural gas, see how beautifully it is reacting from the buy. It is again a fake buy. It gave a buy here. It's a fake buy and it is started turning. So this was the top. So whether this is going to happen in Nifty tomorrow, we need to see. So be a little cautious. Don't overboard all that. Let it cool off. In case if it is not, again saying, if it is not crossing on Friday high, we are going much below 15,183. We are not going, we are going much below. But I will give that number. That number is with me. I will give that number. Once it break that number, the chapter close. Okay, the chapter close. So we are at a very crucial stage. Let's watch what's going to happen from tomorrow. And tomorrow is the major trend change date. And one planet will rip you apart because it creates lots and lots of volatility. So very cautious. And this month we have only very few days of trading already. I think 14-15 days only for trading. So be very cautious. Big players will try to eat our premium left, right, and center. So be very cautious and let it close above yesterday's high, that is Friday's high. Then we will think about adding more position. Otherwise, stay a little bit quiet for a day. That's my humble request. So now I don't want to go very detailed into chart and all that. So let's straight away go to the PPT. Okay, so now let's go to the PPT. Okay, so the first important date, and there is one date which is giving me a trouble. So once I finalize, I will write the date here. The first date is 1st August of trend change date. So till it holds this number, there is nothing to worry. 26th cyclic date. Okay, and again this number. Okay, and tomorrow, this is the number for the whole expiry of August. This 2 number is more than enough to capture the trend. This 2 number is more than enough to capture the whole trend. Till it trades within this 2 number, it will eat our premium. Right? So now, the resistance are here. Till it holds this number, there is no problem. but I will give the monthly game changer number for tomorrow. But this number is for expiry to expire. And this number you have with you on Friday morning. And this number I will give you on Monday morning. And this number is applicable till the whole month of August. And this month is only for expiry. So now Bank Nifty has to cross and close above this number for bullish for the expiry. Again, Bank Nifty future is this number. Nifty future is this number. Break below this number, pain will start. Pain will start, and we will combine our monthly number also with the expiry number. Let's see what best we can do tomorrow by 9:20. Okay, so this is the number game. Then this was I clearly mentioned that Bank Nifty will give a genuine buy, more or less a genuine buy, but I am not convinced on the genuine buy. Will Nifty give a genuine buy on 1st August 10 change date? We need to see tomorrow. Again, even for Dow Jones, tomorrow is the D day. And this date, 1 month before I gave in my Dow Jones forecast video, that is also available in the YouTube channel. Kindly go back and watch. Until Nifty holds the expiry bearish number, nothing to worry. What is this expiry bearish number? This is the expiry bearish number. Till these guys holds these numbers, there is nothing to worry. Possibility, it may go and touch this number and reverse and come and touch this number. It will be trading only within this two number for the whole month also. God only knows. But the number is here with you. Use it to the maximum. Okay. And this is what I'm expecting in the month of August. Some miracle may happen in metals. And the date is actually 19th August. More than all the top five companies of metals, let's say Tata Steel, Jindal Steel, JSW Steel, Nalco, NMDC, SAIL, all dates are converging within 2-3 days from 19th to 22nd. So something big is going to happen in metals this month. It may even start even from tomorrow. So watch out. And everybody started buying Tata Steel after it was a split, thinking that it is only 98 rupees and other stuff. So but still it gave 8% return. It's a phenomenal return on a single day. So watch out, some miracle may happen in metals. And same thing, some miracle may happen in Adani also. This I'm telling this for the last 10 days. So watch out, some miracle may happen here. I don't know what's going to happen, whether it's going to be upside or downside. Okay, so now based on the pivot, because this was the last target for us on Friday, and that is where the market closed, 17,161. Okay, so if you go here in the Dow, this was the target, and that is what the high. And exactly Bank Nifty, we predicted this was the high, and that was the high. This is for 29th July. 29th July, exact high. Okay, so no problem. Let's come to that weekly new weekly presentation. Okay, so now this number will act as a major. So three numbers has to be watched very carefully for Nifty, but I'm expecting this number to be very crucial for Nifty. And Bank Nifty above this number I'm watching out. But based on the weekly number, this is the number. More or less it is coming very near to that. My number was 38025 and this number is 38056. So 38025 to 38056, it may be a price reversal zone also. So we will watch it out, what's going to happen in the coming days. So this is over, and till it holds this number, this was my possibility. And last week I clearly given you it's a breakout. If it closes above this number, it's a breakout. Big breakout above August series if it closes above 16,893. 16,893, and the PRZ zone was this number. And last week all our numbers are achieved. No need to take the credit. Market is going left, right, and center. And this was the last number which we predicted, and it went and touched this target 17088. And Bank Nifty above this number, it came and touched this number. And here it's clearly mentioned it is a resistance also. This was last week, the weekly numbers. So coming to this one, this week, the weekly numbers. Okay, before going to the numbers, so we will go here. And tomorrow we have SBI Life, SRF, and Naukri. SBI Life, the trend change rate is actually on Saturday. The guy had given already 8% move on Friday. What to do? No, we missed by one day. Anyway, the next date which watch out for is Monday. So kindly watch it. One day we missed 8% rally. Okay, so Chambal, I've already told my subscribers today we had a very detailed webinar. Today it's only webinar day from the morning. So we said Chambal, it was an inside bar pattern and the trend change rate high and low is very small. The width is only 5 rupees. So you can make a decent money in Chambal. Okay, watch out for this guy. It may be a dark horse for the month of July and it is well trading above its trend change date high, which happened on 27th July, 27th July. Okay, so now this is the daily number for tomorrow. This is the daily number for tomorrow. So you can take a snapshot. People are trading with these numbers, so you can take it. Okay, so now let's go to weekly, weekly and futures numbers. Till Nifty future hold this number, one number, 16,670, nothing to worry. If it comes to this level, simply buy with a stop loss of 54 points. You may even get 540 points. Only one number. And this is the monthly number which will not change for the whole expiry. And this is the weekly number which will not change for the whole week. And this is the daily number which will change every day, and this is intraday and positional. So now all in blue, so you don't need to go short. Let the signal comes, then you will think about going short, because we are holding long. Even though it closed at the buy, who knows, it may go up to even 18,000 from here, but we are at the crucial stage. That's what I want to communicate. So this is the weekly number, whole week. Let's see, watch it all that, and where it will take a U-turn also I've already given here. So watch out. And Bank Nifty, yes, this is the one number magic for the whole expiry. Till it holds this number, it may even give another 3,000 points from here. Last month it was 33,538 was the one magic number, and Nifty number was 15,805. And from there you have seen roughly around 1,700 points. This one number did the magic last month, but last month was a ferocious rally on the upside, and that one number is enough. You can put, simply go back and put one number of this number, just put a one line in this number, and this number I gave you on 1st of July. Just go and put one line in this number and see how market respected this number to the core. And if you go to Bank Nifty, this number, just put one line. Just put one line and see how this number worked like a magic for the whole month of expiry. It gave roughly around 3,000, 4,000 points. Okay, so now again saying for this month, these two are the numbers. These two are the numbers. So again, I'm reiterating, till there is no three numbers red, you don't need to worry. Now all the 5 numbers are blue. This is Nifty future. All the 5 numbers are blue. If 2 numbers becomes red, little cautious. If the third number goes for red, be very cautious. Okay, same thing for Bank Nifty also. And now this was the trend change rate stocks for the whole month last month. So kindly go back and use it. And last month, our monthly game changer number for stocks are literally rocked to the core. And all the stocks came and touched the one number magic in stock. And from there, it has given phenomenal return. Phenomenal return. And on 26th June, I came out with the video saying that buy these stocks with small stop loss. I recommended more than 60 stocks in that video. That video is also available on YouTube. I don't know how many people watched it, but it was rocking, literally rocking. So now coming, this is the 3 stocks for tomorrow, because the Saturday was SBI Life, so you can see it on Monday. And next month counter is already ready, and one number magic we already designed. And till due to some personal work, I'm not come out with all the numbers. So till now I've done only for 50 stocks. The rest will be done very soon, and that will be shared with my subscribers, and mostly I may share with normal subscribers also. Let's see what best I can do, because last month it was a miracle. And if you go and see here, 1 second, monthly. Okay, so this was the monthly reference sheets which I shared with my subscribers. And if you see here, so this was for the July, and no, market just went up like crazy, so everything would have done very well. But we traded only few selected counters, and everything rocked. Everything rocked. And believe me, you can take photograph and just go and put the line in these two numbers, whichever counter you like, whichever counter you like. Okay, you would have definitely, you won't believe how it worked. And today in the webinar I showed this ACC, because the one number magic and the decided number magic is only 2 rupees difference, and for 2 rupees it has given 200 rupees. And how this number got respected is the $1,000,000 question, but it happened exactly on the number, that 2128. After it went up, it came down, touched this number. From there it was a boom. So this is a number which I'll be giving to my subscribers, as well as I'll be sharing this month. Most probably I won't be sharing from next month. Let's see what best I can do. Let's see. Once I finish, at least for 100 companies, I will try to share. So that's all. Nothing more to add. And let's see whether it's going to give a genuine buy or not. And if it is a genuine buy, bulls can draw. If not, bears will come into the picture, because it's happened. The buy happened on one day before the astro date, and let's see how few major planets is going to have an impact tomorrow on August 1st. So thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a CB registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. Go back to my video which I showed on the first of the beginning of the video. Go and check what we talked about, the numbers as well as the signals which we gave on the top when Nifty was trading at 18,114. Okay, thanks a lot. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07.